Servus und hello, my name is Luis from TNH Group and welcome to my business vlog where I tell you all about my business and how it's going. It's been going great. We are on part 55, calendar week 43 and 44. Pretty exciting stuff. I worked on the templates for 8 hours, but now we have a usable template. So it's now easier to use and the semantics have changed a bit to be and feel more logical. I'm on my way to uni to study. It's very early in the morning. My first semester was way better because uni started at 10 and not at 8. So I need to get up fairly early in order to be there in time. As you may know, I study in Wiesbaden and live near Frankfurt. It's a long distance, in talking German terms of long distance, 50 kilometers, which is nothing in the US. I don't know that in miles, but it's not something people usually drive for studying, typically. Business-wise, nothing has really happened so far. I talked about reprinting orders for friends in the last vlog. That has yet to come yet. The prints that I pulled off the build plate and cured, I finally showed my dad how to help me cure things. In the future I will also teach my mom. That sounds really rough, but I'm preparing myself for busy days. And the processes are not that hard. I already worked on writing some sheets that kind of go through what to do and how to service the printers and service the farm, but they haven't been tested yet. They have not been put to use. I'm on Autobahn now, so see you later. Hello. Welcome to the vlog. It is the second week of the vlog that is connected because I was away for 5 days. I'm on my way back from uni in the car, still in Wiesbaden, this wonderful city. And I already did a lot of stuff today. The Deutsche Post, the German postage thing, lost 3 of my orders. I started out with just normal, not tracking things, because that's way cheaper. Not way cheaper, but it saves €2. I will not be doing that anymore. I'll have to check how it works with my label printer, but I will just do the tracking thing. It's not insured, but once you get to the €25 mark, you can get up to €25 back if they lose your order. At least that's how I understand it. I will have to check whether it is like that or not. But then I will have a tracking link, and if they lose my order, I can get up to €25 back. With the bases, I use the normal big letter shipping. If you buy 400, I'm going to use a package. But smaller things than that, and also the foils are using a Versandtasche, which is just an envelope. And they will have tracking, and most of the things that I send through there is worth less than €25. And if it's above and they lose my order, I get the €25 back, which mostly covers my production costs for the smaller things. And for bigger things I will send packages, because then the Haftung is for up to €500. And I have not sent an order that large yet. I reordered bases. Again, I showed my mom how my packing works, because I want to do that. I touched upon that in another vlog or in this video already, but I need to make a list where you go through the things and then can just check it off basically in your head. And I noticed that I'm lacking 150mm base, and I ordered them today along with some thing to try out. AK Interactive has this water effect, which is like a gel resin thingy, but if you pour it onto a base and you kind of color it a little bit, it looks like water. And some people may want a puddle or something, and so it's just another product that I carry. There are these starter sets from a couple of vendors, and I picked up the Army Painter one, so I will have a beginner's painting kit available as well. I usually order these if I like one or two, to gauge whether people actually buy that or not. Especially with Christmas season coming along, it might get bought for like a new painter. So that's always nice to see and like be on the lookout for. I'm also starting to stock bases for Christmas and the general like Black Friday area. A lot of people do sales on Black Friday and the Christmas season, so it might just boost my my sales a bit. I had a very great time off everything. It was our last event that we did as a organization for our lab. We do like youth LARP things. There was a lot of crying, like emotional crying. We also had a broken nose, but shit happens. I got a new business number, so now I'm on 2 phones. So I'm using that with the other SIM because my other 2 SIM cards are in my phone, which is my private number and my business number. That is for business context. I'm also waiting for my samples for my big Helmgard PFA sheets. They should arrive in the next 2 weeks, hopefully. The DSVO3 has a heating issue, which I think I touched upon already, but if not, here it is. I think it's just the thermistor or the heater cartridge that needs replacing. I have both of these in stock, so I should be able to just do it. And yeah, maybe I remember to film that to have more actual content in the vlog, not just me talking somewhere. I need to also research more CAD people and sculptors, and I want to make it easier for people to book consulting sessions. And I want to do it like Grant from 3D Musketeers, where people can book time in my calendar, and the first half an hour is free, and I need to pull all my to look at my Kleinanzeigen stuff again, but that's in the week, not today. See you in the next bit. Hello. I am in the storage. It's late at night, but I forgot to do something yesterday, so I need to do it now. It's already past 8. The funny thing is that I still need to do to like process some orders today, so this will be interesting. I need to peel 2 boxes of limes and make super juice, which is basically an extension of what lime juice is, because we procure lime juice from like a place where they press it fresh every day, but fresh lime juice is not shelf stable. It lasts for 2 days max, and we don't want to waste so much citrus juice. Another 3D printing related news is that I will be doing, I either mentioned this or didn't, I made a Lufthansa stencil for an event, and we are in the works to do that for every glass that we have here as well. I reordered some Ceratec fast resin, but this time I went for the gray because it was available in a 2 kilo bottle. It's just a test to see whether it is worth buying that in 2 kilo bottles. Also initiated the quest, or the designer of my logo, to make a simplified version of my logo, to embed that into products. And I have reached out to one of the scalpers that will be a cooperative partner in the future, hopefully, to start the first test project. I want them to make a base for me. Yeah, I did a change in the shipping for the bases. That will all now just be with tracking, like an envelope with tracking. It's Wednesday 9:30 and the order mentioned still needs to be packed. So I'm curing the cobblestone base resend. right now the second time because I cure both sides for about half an hour. And we got a good print. The heating in the chamber has worked out to be very good, especially now with the Saturn 3, because it has an air filter. It circulates the air and makes the chamber a more even temperature. After I'm finished, I go over it with a razor. To catch the pointy bits that may rip the PFA. What's also important when doing Wi-Fi printing, because I set up the Saturn 3 in the Wi-Fi network. What's important then is to use, but to press OK after the printer says it's done printing, or otherwise you can't start another print, because you can send files and start prints wirelessly. Hi, welcome to the last part of the vlog. It's now Friday morning and it has been stressful. That's what I probably say the most in these vlogs. I have an event today, which is why part of why I'm stressed out. I made some super juice yesterday evening and morning. Then got a tattoo. I'll show you. I'll insert a picture right here, or the editor will insert a picture right here. Yeah, business-wise, I reordered stuff. I got more bases, and I started pulling the threads of having a network of sculptors and 3D artists and CAD people to help me do the things, because I can't sculpt and I'm not that good at 3D modeling. And if I can just forward that to another person on my team, then I can do more work and then profit. It's an interesting time, and I hope this vlog finds you well. Next vlog will include some Form Next moments, and I wish you all a very great weekend. I hope you print something and that you have no print failures. I will see you in the next video. Tschüss und auf Wiedersehen.